Greetings. We have the Luft Concepts RWB. Awesome. Full black PVD. Pivot's a little loose. I have some skiffs. Put these in there. Had these sitting around a while. 316, 116, 11 ball. They fit this. So let's put those in. And we'll get the blade centered again. I think these are T8. Yes. Short little pivot screw. Put them in there. Then we got this screw. I'll put it in there. We got this screw. We'll put it in there. And it should come apart. Lock bar. Put that in there. This is kind of tight. Oh, put that in there. What's going on? We have another pin. Pin over there. Actually, I'm just going to do like that. Wiggle this out. Blade. Old bearing. Put that in there. Other old bearing. I'll put that in there. Huh. Okay. Looks pretty clean. Get my skiffs. Put a little bit of lube on it. Not much. Probably doesn't need it. Give it a little wipe. Wipe off the black crud. Dirty crud. Heard something fall out. This fell out. I'll just put this back in. Put this in there. Where that goes. It's our bleed. Wipe it off. Nice. It's a cool blade shape. It's like a Tanto. Very, very thin hollow grind. put a bearing in here. I'll put a blade right here. And then I'll put a bearing in here. Just like that. Then I'll swing this around. Get it back on there. Oops, I ran out of storage. So, okay, let's continue. I'm going to tighten this just a bit. Not too tight. Thin screws. Tighten this. Good and snug. And we'll get our blade centered. Nice. Got that snugged up. Great. Clean them off. Got it a little greasy. Got our Luft concept RWB. Skiffed up. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.